Hi Leo, this is your channel messages for the 13th for the 13th of February. Leo, let's go ahead and see what is in your messages today. Leo, let's go. I know you can't see the cards, Leo, but I'm trying this horizontally. Let's go, Leo. We have the Three of Cups coming out first. Okay, so I hope you like it. The Three of Cups is celebrations. So I'm hearing forgiveness. All right, I'm getting reunion. The Three of Cups could also be something about a baby shower. I see the whole family together, Leo. We have a star card. Yeah, I'm getting celebration. Are you being celebrated? Your opposite is Aquarius. So I'm getting you're being celebrated, Leo. I'm getting you're celebrating the celebrity, you're celebrating someone's accomplishments. We have the Three of Swords. Well, while you're celebrating someone's accomplishments, Leo, I'm getting maybe somebody else's accomplishments is not being enjoyed. I'm getting, okay. So I'm getting, you know, when a celebrity try to, you know, make it to the top, it's lonely at the top, right? But the people around them benefit. Their family and friends benefit. But, you know, they have to go through loneliness. They have to go through heartache and pain. When you're trying to follow your dreams, you're alone. You don't have a, yes, you have a marketing team, but still you have to show up. And if you don't show up, Leo, the sun, then we're getting a lot of people depending on you. Because if you decide that, listen, I ain't gonna show up. I feel too bad. I want to take a rain check today. I'm getting 33. You hurt a lot of people. Maybe a lot of people can't get paid. All right. Now this could be three women celebrating someone else's downfall, because I'm seeing you're alone here, kind of crying, your heart broken because of what these women did to you. All right, Leo. So just be mindful if you're around a group of women, they getting to talk about you behind your back. They're secretly trying to sabotage you. They could go somewhere with you and leave you at the location. Bring you somewhere they know and you don't know the location and set you up. Just be mindful. Yeah, literally. I'm not sure if this is something about clothing, wardrobe, because I'm getting three women set you up. I'm literally getting you naked, you don't have clothes, or you're exposed. I see you taking a shower, are you taking a bath, are you doing something in private and some women are recording you. I'm getting something about some videos, okay? Some videos of you naked. But don't feel bad, Leo. Your body look really good, so it's not all that bad. I'm getting it was a setup from day one. It's not like you're intentionally taking pictures and doing something with it. I'm getting it's a setup from day one. The Five of what? Yeah. Maybe something was supposed to discourage you to make you stop doing something. I'm getting you took a mental hit, Leo. Because Leo is all about them reputation. You know, Leo is the sun. But I'm getting a lot of women, Leo. You're the Eight of Cups. Maybe these women may have caused somebody to abandon you. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm getting it's like every single time something seems like it's going good for you, Leo. I don't know. I feel like something is being manipulated. It's three women doing this. I don't know if it's three sisters. But I'm getting it's all about making you fight, argue, walk away from somebody. Leo, just be careful. We have Shark. Or maybe you're the only person in your friend group, you're the only person in your family that decided to chase your dreams. I'm getting maybe you're not in contact with people who want to be on the way. Maybe people don't have your number to call you and be like, hey, yeah, I know this person, you know. Because I feel like maybe if they like, comment, or do something like that to whatever talent you're aspiring to be, it's going to prove that they're watching you. But why are they insecure, or why do they feel bad about you knowing them watching you? I don't know. I'm getting three women who maybe had to live them life normally, and one that decided to chase them dreams. So I'm getting something about 4 women. Could be 4 sisters, because I'm getting 3 always together. 3 is alike, but there's one of the 4. She went on her own. She went on a totally different path, a different direction. And I'm getting maybe she's being punished for it. We have political agenda. Yeah, maybe something she's doing is very controversial. We have shark again. We have shark twice. We have 3. Yeah, something about 3 sisters. 1, 2, 3. 3 sisters. Because I'm getting him. We have shark 2 times. I'm not sure if they want one sister to take over another sister's job or work ethic or talent. We have Cancer. Not sure if the sister is a Cancer. And we have Taurus. Okay, so at least we have Taurus and Cancer here. So maybe somebody want people to switch. I'm getting, you could be switching up destinies. You have a lot of friends. These women want to get close to you, to learn what you do, to study you, and then bully you out of it, and then take over your persona. But I'm getting, you're the star. You're not going nowhere. Also, it would be better for the women that don't have talent for you to not go anywhere. Only because if you go somewhere, they're not going to have inspiration. Because we're getting these women are not doing what you're doing because I'm genuinely interested in it. You're doing it and I'm jealous. That's kind of the inspiration. So jealousy behind inspiration will lead to nothing. No progress. Anyways, Leo, let's go to Virgo.